stronger. It's starting to control most of my day. Can't take it any longer, longer. Girl, I want you in the worst way. I keep thinking about everything we've done, what we've been through, what we've become, yeah. Never felt anything like this before. When you're not around, I'm living for more. Can't help but adore it, so hard to ignore it. Might need rehab for it. Your love is my addiction. Yeah, can't quit. I need another hit. It's my addiction. I've got a problem, and there ain't a rehab that can fix it. You've had me like this from the start, girl.